Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install Java, how to set up environmental variables in Java, and how to develop a first application or a program in Java. So let me start with the what-year installation of Java now. First of all, what we need to do, we need to download a JDK software. Remember, JDK software means Java software. So here if you see properly, I have given to you two links. This is one link and this is another link. This link will give you the latest version of Java from Oracle company. And the second link which you have seen here, which you can see here, this link is my Google Drive link. And using this link, you will be getting Java 8 version, JDK 1.8 software you will get. So you can copy this link if you need a latest version, and just you need to keep it in the browser. Remember, you need to keep in the browser, not in the Google. So just keep it in the browser, and here you can click what here, download Java. Otherwise, you can take here the second link, you can copy, which is my Google Drive link, and you can paste it in a browser, and you can find one download option. So you can click on this download. So I can click on download anyway. So once if you click here, your software will get download. Your JDK 8 version will download successfully. See here, our software installed successfully. Now you just click on open file. So once if you click this open file, one pop-up box will come. You just click on yes button, and you need to wait for a few seconds so that you will get new window now. So you can see here, you need to click on next, you need to click next, and if you see properly, you know it is a Java software, and you can see one cup of coffee with saucer. So this cup of coffee with saucer is nothing but it is a symbol of Java, and Java is a product of Oracle Corporation company, and even you can see here there is a Oracle name is there. This is a company name, Oracle company name. So you just wait in a progress for a few seconds, then we will get a next window. So you need to click OK. That is only for information. And you can see here my Java software will install in C drive program files automatically. I will show you the directory, that path I will show you later. You guys just click on next. If you want to change this directory, you can change. But mostly we are not changing the directory, we want to keep as it is. Just click on next, and you can see here Java itself is telling that 3 billion devices running Java. That is the reason demand of Java is very high today. And if you are a fresher and if you are looking for an IT platform, then I can say Java is the best technology to build your IT career. So you just wait for few seconds here. So installation almost done. Yes. Now you just need to click on what here? Close button. Now installation done successfully. Do you think that only installation is enough? Because we have done what here? 2 steps. We download JDK. Yes, we download JDK. Did we install JDK? Yes, we installed JDK. After that, we need to go for set the environmental setup for Java. Because if I install Java, then I cannot work with Java. We need to set up environmental variables. So we need to go to my computer case. Just go to, this is called my PC or this PC, or you can say my computer. You can do right click and you can go to properties. And remember, before we go to this, let me show you where my Java will install. You need to go to C drive. In C drive, you can find program files. Inside program files, you can find Java folder. Some people called Java home folder, or you can say Java folder. And remember, this is not the software. This is the folder will be created when we install JDK software. Inside Java folder, you can find one JDK, one JRE folder. We need to go inside JDK. Then inside JDK, we need to go to lib folder. This is lib folder. You just click beside this lib folder. Then you need to copy this directory. You can take Ctrl C. Otherwise, you can do right click. You can do copy. So after that, we need to go for environmental variable setup. This is my computer. You just do right click. Then you need to go to properties. And in properties, you can click on advanced system settings. If you click advanced system settings, you can find environmental variables. Now you can see there is a user variables and system variables. Now in user variables, we need to click on new button, and here we need to write a class path. Remember, class path you need to write in uppercase without space, and in variable value we need to paste that lib directory which we copied from Java home folder, and every directory should ends with semicolon, so you need to keep semicolon. Then you need to press OK button. Now go to system variables and just click new button, and you can find variable name. Variable name we need to write path in lowercase, and variable value means again we need to paste that lib directory, but remember, don't keep lib. Instead of lib you need to write bin, because lib and bin both are present in the same folder, and every directory ends with semicolon. Then you need to click OK, OK, OK. 3 times we need to do OK. So you have seen that we have done environmental setup properly. Now we need to check either we have done environmental setup properly or not. For that reason, we need to open the command prompt and you need to type Java P. So whenever you enter Java P, it will give you all the basic commands of Java now. Suppose if you want to know the version of Java, we can use -version. So Java, okay, -version. So you can see here it will give you 1.8 version, because we install 1.8 version. Now we need to develop the first program or application in Java. Remember, steps to develop first application in Java. So what do? First we will create a Java proc folder inside any drive. Any drive means you can see here, this is my computer, and you can see here C drive, D drive, E drive. Now let me go to E drive, and inside this E drive I will create one folder called Java proc. So might be one question is coming in your mind, why I created this Java proc folder. Remember, whatever the programs and applications I am developing in Java, those programs and applications I will store inside this folder only. That is the reason we created Java proc folder. Now what we need to do? Now we need to open the notepad. Remember, it's a basic program. So that's why we are developing in notepad. And I want to write hello world program. So let's open the notepad. This is the notepad. So here first we need to create a class. Class name is demo. So first we need to create a class, and remember, class name always starts with uppercase letter only. Class name starts with uppercase letter. D is a capital letter. And inside the class we need to write main method, public, static, void. All are lowercase, main lowercase, string S capital, array args. This is called main method. And inside main method I want to print hello world message. So I need to use system S capital system dot out dot println. Remember, system dot out dot println is an output statement. Using this statement only we can print the messages. Then I need to write hello world. So now my program is ready. Now I can say save the Java program with same name as class name inside Java proc folder. So let's see this one now. This is my program. So what is my class name? You can see demo. So what I need to do, file, you can do save, you can use shortcut Control S. And now you need to go to E drive. In E drive you need to go to Java proc folder. Inside this Java proc folder I need to save with demo.java. What is my class name? My file name should be same only, demo.java. Then we need to click on save. So like this we will save now. After that what we need to do, open the new command prompt from Java proc folder. What some people will do, they will use existing command prompt. Don't use existing command prompt because we don't require C users del. So just close this. So we need to go to that location. Here you can find a Java prog. Beside this Java prog folder, you just click and remove this and type cmd. So you can see here command prompt opened from Java prog location. So this is how we need to open the command prompt from that particular folder. Then after that what we need to do, we need to compile the Java program by using below command. Now we can type Java C means compile, and here we need to write demo.java file name. So once if you write this, you can see compilation done successfully. Now we need to run this Java demo, because at the time of execution we should not give the file name. Remember, file is having extension, but here you can't find any extension. It means it is a class. It's a class name, it is not a file name. So just click on this. Now you can see hello world. So this is all about this video, guys.